In this video, we show how to use a TI graphing calculator to find the 5-number summary for a data set. For a set of data, the 5-number summary consists of the 5 values: minimum, Q1, Q2, which is also called a median, or second quartile or 50th percentile value, Q3, and the maximum. Now let's look at a practice problem. Suppose we're given a set of data, and the question asks us to find the 5-number summary for this data. That is, to find the minimum, Q1, Q2, Q3, and the maximum. How can we do this using the graphing calculator? So first we get our calculator out, of course turn it on, and now first thing we're going to do is click on Stat. And 1 is highlighted, so we're going to go ahead and click on Enter. And here we're going to enter in our data values under the L1 column. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to click on 10, Enter, 6, Enter, and so on. Now after we've entered in our data values, we might want to go ahead and check to make sure that we have the same number of data values entered in the calculator as we had listed in the problem statement. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here we want to check and see if we have 11. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, good. All right, next thing we want to do after we've entered in our data values is click on Stat again. And this time we want to right arrow to Calc. And one variable stat is the one we need. It's already highlighted, so I'm going to click on Enter. And enter once again. And we see a bunch of values pop out. And we want to right or down arrow to see more values. And we can see that we do find that the minimum is 3, Q1 is 5, the median or Q2 is 7, Q3 13, and the maximum is 30. Three, 5, 7, 13, 30. All right, and some other values that might be helpful to know is the mean is commonly asked. X bar here is the mean. SX here is the standard deviation. This question did not ask for those values, but you can also come up with those values on the calculator.